Okay everyone, let's go and complete this presentation. How we can complete this? We find the picture, we copy image and paste the image here, and then copy the image address and paste the address here. We want to make this image fit the size of the picture we have. We go to crop to shape, and then go to crop and try to reduce it in size to fit the size we want. Okay, now change it and reduce it in size a little more reduction, and that's good. Now we just simply need to crop it to the size of these things, and now the thing that we are going to do, we are going to put this thing down and make the font 11 font size, put it down, increase it in size, and then just simply we are going to need to create the order of this thing. Let's at first color them up. We select all of them, no outline and shape effect. We are going with this effect, or we can use some better effect. I think this effect is good also. No, this is not good. We go with this effect, and after adding this effect, we need to change the color of this thing. I'm going to color it green and color it this green, and also color it this green. Now I select these three things, increase it in size and increase it in size. Then I'm going to select all of them and put them here, and also these things send to back. Now I'm going to select all of them and put them in the center. Now I copy that, and here make the background solid, then make it here and change it a little bit, change it here a little bit also for making a grade option and use of the space. Okay, and then this picture, I'm going to use it like this. Now I bring it a little more. Okay, that's good. Now we set the transition to morph and see the magic happened. Can you see how great this is? If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in the channel. I will absolutely answer you. Until then,